Do you want more clients, more money, more sales, more app installs for your new software that you probably created with AI? This Chrome extension might be the solution for your problem. If you're promoting on Facebook, when you want to share to groups, you can only share one group at a time. Now, the annoying thing about that is that it takes forever to share to each group. But with this Chrome extension, it will be your assistant in that area. It lets you share to multiple groups. That's why it's called the multiple group share assistant. It will do your social media marketing. And the way it works is because it injects onto the page this share to all groups button. And when you click on that, it literally selects all of the groups you're in or the groups that are relevant. Now, to use it, you just add it to Chrome. You click on the Add to Chrome button as you would any other extension. And then here you have the Add to Chrome button. And then you just add it to Chrome just like that. So it really isn't so complicated to get it, to actually get this. Well, how do I get back now? All right, here we're back. And basically, it's probably worth $2,000 a month because this is what social media marketers do. So forgive me, social media marketers, but I'm just going to be honest. If you guys want to save money, you should just add this to Chrome instead of paying $2,000 a month for a social media marketer, because this is going to do exactly what you expect a social media marketer to do, which is to share your content with tons of groups which are relevant to you, which is actually free because it doesn't cost money to share into groups. It only costs money to pay for ads. We're not paying for ads here. We're doing something that's free. So this is a high value, low expense, low risk Chrome extension. So the way it works, you share to a group. As you can see, you just select all by clicking the select all groups button. The next step is to create the message, the blurb that you have to type. You can also create variations, highly recommended to not be detected by spam. You type one blurb and then all of a sudden you click on generate as many variations as you need. And then you can select them or deselect them. And the last step is to click the fantastic big blue button, which is the share to selected groups. And then, of course, as you'd expect, it starts sharing one at a time with a randomized delay, as you can see over here, so that it won't look like spam. Because at the end of the day, we're not spammers. We're just trying to sell more of our software, trying to sell more of our products, trying to get the word known. That's all we're trying to do. And it has a beautiful user interface, which will make you excited and happy. And that way you'll be able to sell some of more of your products, get more sales, make more money. That's all what we want. So it has some fantastic reviews and an FAQ page. The pricing is free. It's literally free to use for a limited time. And after that, it's dirt cheap, guys. Dirt cheap compared to what you'd pay a social media marketer. It's literally free. Let's just put it that way. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, and bye for now.